Good afternoon and welcome to Mrs. Achari's Kindergarten Cabin. Today's lesson is going to be a continuation, part 2 of yesterday's lesson, where we created a small version of the big rainbow that I have here. So it's a ways to make a 10 rainbow. And today we will be working on a little game to help us see all the different ways to make 10. But first we're going to start with our dot card fluency. So in just a moment you will be getting to see some dot cards. And I'm going to let you take a minute to count the dots. Remember, try to see them in groups and think of the number as quickly as you can. Ready, set, go. Alrighty, I bet all of you noticed that all of those dot cards equaled up to be 7. Only we saw them in different ways. There was different groups. So nice work. I like how you guys are thinking quickly and working on your math fluency. Keep it up. All right, so as I said before, you're going to need to have your little copy of your ways to make a 10 rainbow, and I'm going to be using this big copy today, and we're going to play a little game. So on our little game, I have my little egg basket here, which has not eggs in it but little pieces of paper, and on these pieces of paper are going to be some addition sentences that equal 10, only something's going to be missing. There is going to be a number missing that we have to figure out. And I'm going to show you how you figure it out using your ways to make a 10 rainbow. So this addition sentence says 4 plus equals 10. Now this is some tricky work because we're trying to find a missing number. We have one of our numbers that we're going to add to something else to make 10, but we're not sure what it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our 4 on our ways to make a 10 rainbow, and we are going to trace our finger to the next number. 4 plus what equals 10? Okay, so our ways to make a 10 rainbow showed us that 4 plus 6 equals 10. Very good. Nice. Okay, so let's try another one. All right, so before we get moving, though, I feel like I'm going a little too fast. You want to make sure that when I show you this sentence, you're going to be using your rainbow to find the number that's missing. Remember, we're making 10 in different ways, so we're going to use the rainbow to help us. Okay. 7 plus equals 10. 7 plus, so we're going to find the number 7. Okay. And we're going to go this way on our rainbow and trace, 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 trace. 7 plus, if you found the number 3, 7 plus 3 equals 10. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got that one. Nice work. All right, let's try another one. Okay, get your finger ready. You're going to find this first number and then trace it over to see what number is missing. 3 plus equals 10. We just did one that was very similar to this. 3 plus 7 equals 10. I'm going to move these down a little bit. Try to put them in order if I can. Okay, so we have 3 plus 7 equals 10. Good work. Okay, who's ready for another one? Okay, I'm going to try not to help you on this one. See if you can do it by yourself. So remember, find the first number and then trace the rainbow to find the number that you add it to make 10. 1 plus equals 10. 1 plus, use your rainbow to help you. What did you come up with? I know that if you were sitting right here with me, you would say that 1 plus 9 equals 10. Trace my rainbow, trace my rainbow. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Good work. Okay, I'm going to give you another one. 2 plus equals 10. So we're going to find our 2 on our rainbow. Trace, trace, trace all the way over. And what did we get? 2. Oh, I don't like when that happens. Be picky here. 2 plus 8. Ding, ding, ding. Nice work. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Very good. All right, we're about halfway through. So guess what time it is? It's time for a brain break. Today, I'm not going to forget what exercises I am telling you to do. And actually, we're going to have a little dance party now. So I'm not going to tell you what you're going to do. Miss Abby is going to be joining us in just a moment. And she's going to be telling you what dance moves you're going to do to get the wiggles out so we can finish our lesson.
Sprinklers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 staying alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 shopping carts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait.
All right, I hope you had fun dancing with Abby. Let's get back to our ways to make a 10 rainbow. Before we left for a brain break, we did a couple of our addition sentences. We had 1 plus 9 equals 10, 2 plus 8 equals 10, 3 plus 7 equals 10, 4 plus 6 equals 10, and 7 plus 3 equals 10. So now we're going to move on and see which one is next. Get your finger ready. Remember, you're going to find the first number. 0 plus equals 10. Go find your 0. Trace your number or your rainbow all the way over to the next number. And what did we find? Say it out loud. Did you find that? 0 plus 10 equals 10. Move that down a little bit. 0 plus 10 equals 10. Very good work. Those are not going to stay on there very good. Okay, let's try another one. 10 plus equals 10. Okay, so we just did one that was very similar to this. Same numbers, they're just switched around. So we're going to start over at the 10 this time. Take it all the way over so we know that 10 plus 0 equals 10. Anytime you have a number and you add 0 to it, guess what you get? Same number. Okay, a few more left. All right, everybody find 5 on your rainbow. 5 plus what equals 10? 5 plus, this is a double, I'll give you a clue. 5 plus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very nice. I'm going to put this one right in the middle because right there. Okay, let's try another one. 6 plus equals 10. Okay, same process. Find your 6. Take it over, and you have 6 plus 4 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, we have 2 more. 9 plus equals 10. Okay, find your 9. Take it all the way over. While you're doing that, Mrs. Achari is going to get this chart a little bit neat, make it look a little bit neater. 9 plus. Did you say 9 plus 1 equals 10? If you did, super job. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And last one is going to be the only one that's left. 8 plus equals 10. Find your 8. Trace your rainbow. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And there you have it, my friends. We have figured out the addition sentences that go along with this whole entire rainbow. These are all of the different ways to make 10. Remember how yesterday I asked you to leave a little space at the bottom? So today, when you're all done watching the video, you can do all of the different ways to make 10 down on the bottom. So you can write all of your own number sentences down here. And that's why we have that extra space. And I'm going to just show you one so you understand what I'm talking about before we go, okay? So this is all the different ways to make 10. Let's just quickly go through and say all of the different ways. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And 10 plus 0 equals 10. So what I mean on your small rainbow is that you can now take your small rainbow and you can trace your finger around and you can write the number sentence that goes along with your rainbow. So I'm just going to show you what I mean real close here, okay? So we have 0 plus 10 equals 10. So right here, we're going to write 0 plus 10 equals 10. See that? And then we're going to do the next one. 1 plus 9. And do you notice you can say the number 1 plus 9 equals 10. And we know that this is 10 because it's all the different ways to make 10. So let me do that next one for you just so that you can see. 1 plus 9 equals 10. So there you have it, my friends. If you would like, you can now do a little more work and use your rainbow to do the rest of the ways to make 10. All right. I hope all of you have a lovely afternoon and that you have enjoyed learning about the special number 10 and all of the different ways that you can make it. I shall see you soon.